Hello, we are Team34. Welcome to our SOTA Storytelling project video. At any single moment, there are countless children who stay in hospital for pre and post treatment, often for prolonged periods away from their friends and family. As a request from St. George's Hospital to tackle the issue, we plan on using SOTA, a humanoid robot to provide a source of social interaction to such children. SOTA will welcome children to present their favorite toys, and in response, SOTA will return an engaging and interactive storytelling experience. Here is a list of requirements we believe SOTA will need to be equipped with to deliver a stimulating experience to our target children. SOTA must be able to recognize and identify different kinds of toys, as this will be SOTA's primary trigger of social interaction with the audience. The system SOTA will be operating with must present story illustrations with audio voice over the storylines.
We want the storytelling to be immersive. We want physical interaction between SOTA and the user. Hopefully in the future, we will equip SOTA with enough intelligence to be able to perform question and answer sessions with its audience.
Currently, two major products on the market that provide a similar experience are Google Home and Amazon Alexa. Both exhibit audio narration, and more significantly, Google Home has a social interaction of question and answers as demonstrated in their promotional video of Moz the Monster. Our initial hurdle is how SOTA will be able to recognize a child's toy. SOTA itself has an embedded camera. Our first idea was to use QR codes for it to identify a range of toys. This was rejected due to its lack of fun, since QR codes are rather dull and boring. We then considered pre-printed flashcards of toys. The visual of the toy is an interesting element, but it takes away the engagement of a child taking a real toy up to SOTA. Finally, we returned to the original challenge, which is to allow children to take up toys. To test the difficulty of this, we ran trials of different toys against several different methods of object recognition APIs.
Here we have chosen 3 commercialized object recognition APIs. We have chosen these due to their reputable backgrounds, and we wanted to see what the best could do against our dataset. We are strictly looking for the correct noun of the toy. Those which are successful will be bordered with green, else it would be bordered with red. We begin with standard teddy bears. Here we are trying to simulate the different situation a child may present their toy. Now we explore toys other than teddy bears. These are a selection of less abstract toys compared to stuffed toys. We can see here the success ratings of each API, with CloudSight having a stunning 100%.
Here is the structure of our solution. We first take a picture of the toy using the camera on SOTA. Then SOTA passes the image taken to the computer, and it will send the image to the Google Cloud Vision server. Based on the returned result, the computer selects an appropriate story with its illustrations and sends the corresponding audio narration file that is stored in the computer or on the cloud to SOTA. Finally, SOTA can play the audio. We wish to conduct a systems test with close family, friends, or relatives to see how our system would cope with the erratic and unpredictable behavior of children. Parents would also play a vital role as a part of user testing. We want to make sure they're confident that our system is suitable and safe for their children. We hope to be able to survey our target users in a variety of different areas, which include the operation of the system, but also the emotional and social effects the system has on children. We want to make sure that SOTA will cause no unintentional harm to young children, be it physical or psychological. Furthermore, we wish to bring it onto a field test at St. George's Hospital by simply placing SOTA alone in an environment with children. Hopefully we can see how well the system will cope without supervision, and then collect feedback such as reactions from the users. Here we will see how well the system copes with an individual as well as a group of children. In the future, we aim to make SOTA able to tell more stories. Google Cloud Vision API can return lots of labels on a single object. The question is how to link these labels to a story. We want to find an algorithm that can dig out the key terms of a story and link these terms with the image labels. After that, we just need to run this algorithm on the new stories we want to add. Further applications of SOTA with object recognition and natural language processing could help in public services such as transport stations to guide lost children around to find help. Children may behave more positively towards SOTA compared to an adult who they may find frightening. Telling stories to children may also help reduce the tension of a child that they might feel upon realizing that they're lost or away from their family. Despite the positives of using SOTA for these purposes, in the future this may create a new culture of children who becomes reluctant to socialize with other individuals. They may grow a dependence on an entity which simply complies with their demands and gains rewards of praise and positivity. This would be even more apparent to children who stay at hospital for long periods of time and have reduced social interactions with others. Therefore, it is important to note that SOTA does not exist to replace social interactions, and that children should get the attention they need from the people they care for most.
Thank you for watching and listening about our SOTA storytelling project.